Campaigners have lost their latest legal battle against the HS2 rail link after judges dismissed their claims that ministers had failed to consider fully the environmental impact. The Supreme Court rejected allegations that the government was cutting corners to push through the high-speed rail line between London and the Midlands. Our political correspondent, Carl Mercer, has this report.
The further appeal to this court is unanimously dismissed.
9 words from a Supreme Court judge that marked the latest setback for campaigners against HS2.
Whatever you've said in the past, you must continue.
They've campaigned outside Parliament, but this morning had hoped the court might slow down plans for the North-South rail link. Protesters and a number of local authorities who'd taken the case didn't get the result they wanted.
We're disappointed because obviously we would have wanted it to go our way, but it's not the end of the road for us and we're going to keep fighting. We have other options open to us and that's what we're going to do because we believe it's vital to press the government to comply with their EU law environmental obligations, which they haven't done in this case.
HS2, no thank you.
Campaigners have said they'll look to Europe now for further challenges to the high-speed link, but the government says the new line is essential.
I hope when people look at this ruling they will understand we really are taking care around the environmental issues. We recognise those concerns. We're putting in all kinds of mitigations, but what is important about this project is it is very much needed to give us the additional trains, additional seats on trains for capacity.
These are the hard copies of the HS2 bill the government is hoping to push through Parliament before the next election. They're being sent out to libraries across the route from a depot in East London.
And let's get them out at the next election.
The government knows that at many points along that route it'll face further protests over its plans, but says it wants to start work on HS2 in 2017. Carl Mercer, BBC London News.